You might think your favorite breakfast cereal or evening snack is harmless. But after 60, some of the foods we have loved for decades can quietly sabotage our heart, our joints, and even our memory. Today we're uncovering the 3 foods doctors wish every senior would stop eating immediately for better senior health and vitality. And when you do, your energy, digestion, and even your sleep might surprise you. Seniors who removed these 3 foods saw dramatic changes. Are you ready for your transformation? As we age, our body changes. Metabolism slows, muscle mass decreases, and digestion becomes more delicate. What once felt harmless at 30 can now lead to fatigue, inflammation, and chronic illness at 60. But here's the hopeful truth. You can turn your health around simply by removing the right foods and replacing them with nourishing, age-friendly choices. Let's start with the first big culprit: processed meats. That includes bacon, sausages, hot dogs, ham, and deli meats. They might be convenient and tasty, but they're loaded with nitrates, sodium, and preservatives, all of which damage blood vessels, raise blood pressure, and increase the risk of heart disease. A doctor once said, "Remove this one food, and I guarantee your blood pressure will drop." Guess what it is? According to Harvard studies, just 2 servings of processed meat per week can raise your heart disease risk by over 40%. And for seniors, whose arteries are already more sensitive, that's a major concern. One tiny food change can transform your sleep, mood, and blood pressure. Let me show you how. If you love meat, here's the better choice: lean chicken, fish, or plant-based proteins like lentils and tofu. You'll protect your heart, reduce inflammation, and even boost your mood. Yes, your gut health directly affects happiness. Your body speaks. Are you listening? If you're over 50 or 60, the next segment might be the most important part of this video. Coming up next, a food that looks healthy but quietly harms your brain after 60. Let's talk about the second food to avoid for senior health. It's sneaky: refined carbohydrates. That includes white bread, pastries, crackers, and even some breakfast cereals. They spike your blood sugar, drain your energy, and accelerate aging through a process called glycation. When sugar binds to proteins in your body, it stiffens blood vessels and damages collagen, leading to wrinkles, joint stiffness, and even memory decline. So it's not just about weight, it's about longevity or healthy aging. Instead, choose whole grains: oats, quinoa, barley, or brown rice. These support stable blood sugar, keep digestion smooth, improve brain clarity, and contribute to overall senior fitness. And finally, the silent killer in almost every kitchen: hidden sodium. Canned soups, frozen dinners, sauces, and even low-fat snacks often contain massive amounts of salt. After 60, our kidneys become less efficient, and excess sodium can raise blood pressure, cause water retention, and strain the heart. The average senior consumes over 3,400 milligrams of sodium daily, more than double what's safe. That's why doctors recommend staying below 1,500 milligrams a day, especially to support senior health and protect the heart. If you're still eating this, your heart may already be suffering. Don't wait. Here's the fix: read labels, cook fresh, and flavor your meals with herbs, lemon, and olive oil. Your taste buds might take a week to adjust, but your heart will thank you for years. When you remove these 3 foods, your body begins to heal itself naturally. Your digestion improves, your energy rises, and your inflammation drops. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every small choice, every home-cooked meal brings you closer to vitality. Replace bacon with fish, white bread with oats, salty soups with fresh vegetables. Simple swaps that add years to your life, and life to your years. Which food do you think is the worst offender? Drop your guess in the comments, and let's see if you're right. If you found this helpful, take it as your gentle reminder. You deserve to feel strong, clear, and alive at any age. Even after 60, wellness can begin today, with the right food choices. Subscribe to Elderly Care for more science-backed tips to stay vibrant after 40. And remember, your doctor will thank you, but your future self will thank you even more.